I'm gonna show you how to change the printer cartridge here on your HP. So it's a HP Officejet Pro 6968. So it's gonna be the 6960, but this is the cartridge right here. And if you wanna purchase these cartridges, just look in the description below. And it's a link down in the description below. But it's real simple to do. First, what you wanna do is grab right here and you wanna raise it up. Once you raise it up, you see your cartridges right there. They're gonna realign itself in the middle, and you just push this tab in and it pops right out. So you got your black, yellow, and your other different colors. So you can either change one or you can change all four of them. And here I'm changing all four of them because it's been sitting up for about maybe 2 years. And I hadn't used this printer in probably 2 years. You see a lot of dust on it, but this is the new cartridges that we bought here off Amazon. What you want to do, as you can see right here, it's the 902, and it's real simple to do. You just pull this tab right here, and we're gonna take this one. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just pull the tab, and it gives you the directions right here. Step 1, 2, and 3. So you pull this and you're taking the plastic cover off. Once you take that plastic cover off, you want to take this orange tab right here. It tells you to twist it. So you're going to twist it counterclockwise. You'll hear it pop, and it's going to break loose. And you do all four of them like that. And just put them in the way you took them out. It's really simple. And you'll hear it snap in place once you put them in. You can see I'm gonna zoom in. We're gonna do the black here. And you put it in that slot and just push down. Just line everything up. You hear it snap. That's it. Then we're gonna put the yellow, and everything is labeled. If you look at the yellow, it'll have a yellow dot. You see right there, and you just push it in and it'll snap. And we'll go ahead and put the other colors in. And since this thing was set up for about 2 years, once I got all the cartridges in, I did a print. It didn't print too well. So what I had to do, you can go through the menu and go to printer, and it'll say cleaning. And I had to clean it about 3-4 times. And after that, it was clear. Everything worked fine. So once you close the hood there, it's gonna start processing, and then everything's gonna start. So you hit OK. And now you can start printing. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.